Today we will show how to use Autel Key Programmer tool with our WEIXY 𝗪𝗶𝘆𝗀 Platform Pro to get key password from a Mercedes-Benz W211 EIS on the bench by fast mode. Step 1. Test ESL or 𝗪𝗀𝗃 emulator function. Use the test cable to connect the Mercedes W211 EIS to the WEIXY 𝗪𝗶𝘆𝗀 Platform Pro. Plug in the power adapter and turn on the power switch. Please note, the steering lock emulator is disabled in fast mode. Now we switch the mode to fast for testing. Key won't turn. Steering lock emulator is inactive. Switch the mode to test mode. The key turns smoothly. ESL or 𝗪𝗃𝗃 emulator function is working perfectly. No need for the original ESL. Step 2. Test the gateway emulator function. Use the OBD cable to connect WEIXY 𝗪𝗶𝘆𝗀 Platform Pro to the Autel Key Programmer tool. Open the Autel Key Programmer software and select IMO, Mercedes-Benz, Expert Mode, EIS Tools, Read EIS Data, OBD, On Bench, W211. The software will pop up a complex wiring diagram of EIS, but with our WEIXY 𝗪𝗶𝘆𝗀 Platform Pro, there's no need at all with cable plug and play. Just click OK to start reading. The Autel Key Programmer tool successfully read the complete EIS data with the built-in gateway emulator of the WEIXY 𝗪𝗶𝘆𝗀 Platform Pro. You can communicate directly without removing the original gateway. Step 3. Get password in fast mode. Set the WEIXY 𝗪𝗶𝘆𝗀 Platform Pro to Autel mode. Switch the mode button to fast mode. In the Autel Key Programmer software, select Mercedes-Benz, Expert Mode, Get Password, All key lost fast. The G-Box instructions appear. With our WEIXY 𝗪𝗶𝘆𝗀 Platform Pro, it's simply plug and play. No G-Box required to easily retrieve the EIS password. Click OK to proceed to the next step. Select On Bench, W211. The page shows G-Box usage precautions, but with the WEIXY 𝗀 Platform Pro, no G-Box is needed. Simply click OK to start communicating with the EIS. Click Begin to begin retrieving the EIS password. A prompt will appear reminding you not to disconnect the cable. Click OK to continue. An OBD connection prompt will appear. Click OK. Follow the prompt to connect the 𝗪𝗃𝗃 simulator to the programmer. Then click OK. Follow the prompt to insert the 𝗪𝗃𝗃 simulator into the EIS, and data collection and password calculation will begin. The process time varies depending on the device, so please be patient. During the retrieval process, the device will emit rhythmic beeps. This is a normal operational indicator. Please do not disconnect the power. Password calculation successful. Job done. Now you can start programming the new key. W211 EIS all keys lost. Password successfully retrieved without a gateway. With the WEIXY 𝗪𝗶𝘆𝗀 Platform Pro, automotive electronics repair becomes easier, faster, and more efficient.